Hello, I'm here to teach you how to be able to train AI models to look like yourself. My name is Jeannie Asante, and so welcome. So, in order to basically, creating an AI model is being able to create a model that looks like the characteristics that you want. So what I did was I went to the Fal.ai. It's available on mobile as well, but I'm using my laptop here. So you log into it, and of course you sign up for free. At some point, of course, you'll have to put money on those books, but you can familiarize yourself with it. And so here you'll see that you have so many functions here. And I went into training and looking at the Flux Fal.ai portrait training. I'm going now. What I did, I don't like taking pictures. I don't like being on camera, but I went and I took pictures. I put makeup on and I took pictures in order to be able to do it. In one sitting, I took pictures that I know will look like me. So even though they're AI, they look like me. And that was how I was able to go. So make sure that your background is consistent, and that there's good lighting with different, if you do front facing, you can do side profiles, you can do full view as well, so that, when you want to do full view pictures, you're able to do that. Again, background and lighting, and make sure that you save them as JPEG or PNG. And so I've gone into that and I'm going to add pictures. I created this young lady in Midjourney a while ago, probably early in the year, if not last year, because I wanted images for my newsletter. And I am just going to give her a random name, call her Emma, because this name is going to be the trigger that I'm going to be using to create my pictures for the future. So now you can go with additional settings, but I have left it the way it is because in the past that has just worked for me. And now I'm going to sign in to run. I added a couple more. And so now it's going to go start, and it's saying your request costs less than a cent, 0.002 cents per step, and there are 1,000 steps. So usually on average, it's $2 to process. And so it's training, and it does take a few minutes, so you can go make a cup of tea and come back. So the program has finished running. It says here completed. And so what I do now is I go run Inference, which is running the model now to see what it's going to give me. And so I called it Emma. So the trigger, we spoke about trigger. The trigger is Emma, so it's automatically here. And I'm going to say Emma is sitting in her modern office in front of her laptop, a Microsoft Surface Pro. She is wearing a blue sweater and smiling. So let's see. And so then when you've done that, you hit run. It doesn't take this long. It doesn't take as long as when you're creating your model. And there you are. You see that this is basically a combination of those images that I posted. And let me see. I should have been leery of her hair, but she's wearing her hair down. Let's see what it comes up with anyway. And for each inference that you run, you'll see here, it's 3 cents. Now, come on now. But anyway, it's about 3 cents. So, got that totally wrong. I'm going to start over. What I found is that I need to start over. Requests. When you go into request, it shows you what you've already done. And so your best part is to either start afresh or remix on what you've already done. So I'm going to do that. And I'll put her complexion in. It doesn't usually do this. But you'll see that her facial features actually were the same, but her shade was just different. There you go. So this is how you create your own model. And so what you do is you, again, upload images of yourself. So you go into the training, Laura Trainer, upload your photos. Once it's done, you run Inference, come here and are able to see it. I know it's a bit convoluted. I will also post easier methods using Galaxy AI and Artflow, but this is the hardest one if you're not really comfortable with technology. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.